Hello, this is Mrs. Smith. This tutorial will go over how protons identify the atom. So on your periodic table you get a key. The atomic number is identified for you. So you should know that atomic number and protons, that's the same thing. Now, let's go over 8. Atomic number equals protons equals electrons. They're all the same on a neutral atom. Now, usually on my signs, I have atomic number and protons circled because atomic number is the number of protons. So on this carbon atom here, the smallest number, that top number, is the atomic number. That means carbon has atomic number 6, so it has 6 protons, and in a neutral atom, it has 6 electrons. So A equals P equals E. They're all the same. Sometimes I think it's just too easy. You're missing it because you're thinking it can't be that easy. But A, P, E, they're all the same. It's so easy it confuses the brain. They are all equal. 6 protons, 6 electrons, 6 atomic number. Same equal. Okay, let's go over the song that we've been singing. Yeah, but
learning like a big shot, periodic table like Miss Smith taught us. Number proton,
check.
Atomic number.
Check.
That's how the atom's identified.
Yes.
In the same.
okay, so we know that protons is the atomic number. Sometimes I'll call that the atom's number. Same thing. That's how the atom is identified. So let's take a look here. We know that protons and neutrons are inside the nucleus. We know that electrons are in the electron cloud. What element is this? I can identify it by the number of protons. When you get a picture, 1, 2 protons. Look at the periodic table. Protons is atomic number. So 2 protons, that would be a helium atom right there. So if I add an electron, this is no longer helium. 3 protons is now lithium. I'm looking for atomic number 3 right there. So now APE, let me pull out my 8. Atomic number is protons. In a neutral atom, that also equals electrons. On the periodic table, these represent neutral atoms of the element. So this was lithium, 3 protons, has to have 3 electrons to be neutral, and the neutrons are in the atom, in the nucleus. So be careful though, you cannot identify atoms by the number of electrons. Sometimes atoms, they lose electrons, they gain electrons, or they share electrons. They all want their outside ring to be full. So lithium may lose this electron here. So now it has a full ring. Now it has 2 electrons. It's no longer equal here in 8 because it's no longer a neutral atom. But it is still lithium because 1, 2, 3 protons is lithium. Also, neutrons can change. That's why on the periodic table, this mass number at the bottom here is a decimal point because that's an average number. So I may have 4 neutrons, I may have 5 neutrons. Some lithium atoms may have 3 neutrons. It just kind of depends. Now I chose gold because remember we're going for the gold this year. Alright, so protons identifies the atom. I now have 4 protons. Let me identify it. That's beryllium. Hope that clears up any of the misconceptions that you have. Until next time, gotta go.